Welcome all of you. We are moving on average speed and average velocity topics. Okay, already we have seen basic fundamental about average speed and average velocity. We did enough, and further little bit we need to analyze it. So we are going into average speed, basic and average velocity, little bit higher than already seen. Actually, average speed is already told total distance. This is a total distance. This is a total distance divided by total time. So average velocity will be our displacement divided by total time. In average speed, average velocity, there is no total time difference, but difference only distance and displacement. Let's see the example. I want to go from A position to B position. I take a reference O. It is origin. I take a reference O. So this is a straight line reference system. It is like a reference frame. So I'm making the position, plotting the position of A from O as a distance S1, and plotting the position B from O as a distance S2. I'm clear about the distance, shortest distance between A and B is S2 minus S1. Clear? So if I'm going like this curve along this way, so in a varying direction, if I'm going along the straight line this way, means fixed direction. So here average speed is path length of ACB, this ACB moving along this way. Actually path length, clear, because the total distance depend upon the path. But if I am moving along this way, my position is changed from A to B. Initially I was here and finally I am here, B position. So my position changes from A to B is as a straight line AB. That is, I am written here S2 minus S1, the shortest distance between these 2 points. S2, this S1 quantity removed from S2. When S1 removed from S2, the distance will be this much. Distance will be is equal to A to B as a straight line distance, exact straight line in a fixed direction. Yeah. So here I have a spark about what is average velocity, what is speed. Already I know displacement lesser than or equal to distance. So time taken for the two aspect is same. So I can understand average velocity always lesser than or equal to average speed. Clear? Thank you. This basic, so we can go into a related sum for this basic. Actually, particles moves in a straight line from A to B. So particles start from here, so initial position, finally ending here as a straight line. So first 30 km moves with the velocity 10 km per hour, and next 60 km moves with the velocity 20 km per hour. Exactly 90 km. For first 30 km, the constant speed is 10 km per hour. So next 60 km, the constant speed is 20 km per hour. So I know very well about this sum and how to solve it. Okay, because it is very simple sum to find average speed. As average speed sum, we know the formula: total distance traveled by the particle divided by total time taken. Clear? This is average speed. Actually, the total time taken for this interval, A to C interval, C to B interval, not given, but indirectly time taken are given because it is constant speed, 10 km per hour constant speed. So speed equal to distance by time. So I need time. So t equal to d by speed. So what 30 kilometer in 30 kilometer till 30 kilometer the speed will be 10 kilometer per hour. First 30 kilometer the speed was 10 kilometer per hour. Clear? So I can find the time taken for this 30 kilometer as 3 hours because the speed is constant. So simply use this relation. So t1 time is noted and a t2 time same way I can find. For next 60 kilometer it is constant velocity 20 kilometer per hour. So 60 upon velocity, distance upon velocity gives time taken. So next time taken as a t2 can be found as a t2 here 3 hours. 3 hours plus 3 hours, total time taken 6 hours. Clear? So I need total distance is 30 plus 60 90. Okay, so total time taken 6. Then 90 by 6 is equal to 15 kilometer per hour as an answer. Here I need to tell another thing here. Displacement is equal to distance for this sum because this is straight line motion. There is no backward motion, only in fixed direction motion. Clear? So here displacement is equal to distance. The position changes A to B in a straight line. So in a fixed direction. So there is no backward motion. So here distance and displacement are equal because as a straight line fixed direction particle was traveled. Clear? So that is why average velocity is equal to average speed here.